Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your account on PolkaWallet. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the PolkaWallet application on your device and then log into your account if you haven't done so already using your credentials. After you have logged into your account, you will be taken into this homepage where you will be shown all of your assets. Now from this page, in order to delete your account, tap on the setting option at the bottom right corner, and from this page, tap on your profile. Now once you're in your profile, you will find the delete account button at the very bottom section. Go ahead and tap on it, and you will be asked to enter your fingerprint or biometrics if you have enabled it. Go ahead and provide your authentication, and now your account will automatically be deleted. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to delete your account on PolkaWallet. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.